Hi, this is Professor K. I wanted to show you how to conduct your peer review activity. Go find the complete assessment link in the module that the assignment is in. Click on that and you'll come up with the students that you need to complete your peer review on. Click on the student and you'll get an option to download the file. First, I would recommend copying and pasting this. Well, first you want to copy it, and that way I recommend that because then you can put that at the bottom of the paper and it'll help you do a good review. So for the Mac, the PC, I use Control C, copy that so it's on the clipboard. Okay, then you want to do your peer review, so you find the document that you're going to do the peer review for, click on that, download it, and it'll pop up. I already have one set up that I am working on here, and what you'll do is when it comes up, go to the end of the document. You can do Control End, however you want to get to the end of the document, and then copy and paste the grading or the feedback criteria. That way it's easy to get to, and that works for me. You may have another way of doing it. This is just a suggestion. Seems like it works pretty well. And then when you get to this point, then you can start reading your classmates' essay and offer some comments. In this case, I put the comments down here. Here's some examples of some comments I made. For example, he has a page line border on the essay which isn't required for APA format, and the indents aren't 5 spaces. They should be, they look like they're about 1 or 2. APA style, they should be 5 spaces. Some other things that I pointed out with my comments here, it was kind of hard to tell what the main point was in this essay, and I asked the question, what is your reason for defining the term? These are things that should be in your essay as stated in the essay assignments. There is not a clear definition of the term that I believe the student was trying to define, which is ambition. And some more comments here that I put on. One thing I definitely wanted to mention is if you're looking at punctuation and grammar, it's a little hard to do, look at every sentence and offer advice if there happens to be a lot of problems. So what I suggest is, say there's some problems and you might want to clear up, you might want to suggest that your classmate sees a tutor to fine-tune the grammar and punctuation. And also a good thing to do is just have an example. Like in this sentence, during my schooling I was very fond of computers. I used to play games, watch movies. In this case, this is called a comma splice because there's 2 sentences here and you need either a period or a semicolon there. A comma isn't strong enough punctuation. And then also APA style capitalizes internet. And the internet here, you should have, it's the internet. It's a definite article. You need a definite article, the, in front of it so that it sounds correct in American English. When you're done with that, and award 25 points if there was a good effort made for the first draft. And then when you're done, copy and paste it. Control C will work. Go back to the feedback form right here and paste it in to the feedback form. Control V will paste it in, and there you'll have your remarks in the feedback. The red marks don't show up, but that's okay. It should help, and it will help your classmate to improve their essay. If the essay is really good and doesn't really need much work, that's fine. Just say very good, you did a nice job, I can't find any errors. That will happen. Some students are very skilled at writing at this point, but it's not appropriate to say good job, excellent writing, I don't see an improvement, when there is clearly some improvement that needs to be made. And before you actually submit it, make sure you click this button to allocate the full 25 points, and then you save and submit the file. And when you're done, you will get a screen that says right here completed. When you're done both of them, you've done your assessments and your peer review, and you've completed the activity. Thank you, and I hope that helps you.